Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Immersion School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take BGS class for the students of class 3. Dear students, look here, our today's topic is from chapter 1 we will do true false, fill in the blanks and short question. Okay? And dear students, this is our lecture number 3 and SW number 3. Okay, now I am going to start my today's class. Okay, look dear students, from chapter 1 now we will discuss about true false. Look dear students, here number 1, first sentence is we help each other and work together. We help each other and work together. Is this a statement true or false dear students? Yes, we know that this is a true statement. Okay, so here you will write true. Okay, beside this sentence you will write true. So the correct answer is what? True. We help each other and work together. So the statement is true. Then look number 2. Road is an example of natural environment. Road is an example of natural environment. Dear students, this statement is false. Okay, we know that road is an example of social environment. Okay, then look number 3. Our society consists of groups of people and their activities. Dear students, this statement also true. Okay, look dear students, now number 4. Everyone around us is our enemy. Everyone around us is our enemy. Is this statement true or false? Yes, of course this statement is false because everyone around us is our friend. Okay, now so dear students, here you have already got the true false. Okay, about this from this chapter. Now we will discuss about filling the blanks. Dear students, look here number 1. People dash to live in groups of families and villages. People dash to live in groups of families and villages. Dear students, here you will write choose. Choose. People choose to live in groups of families and villages. And the spelling of the word choose is what? C-H-O-O-S-E. C-H-O-O-S-E. Choose. Okay. Then look dear students, number 2. School is an element of the dash environment. School is an element of the dash environment. Here you will write social. School is an element of the social environment. And the spelling of the social is what? S-O-C-I-A-L. S-O-C-I-A-L, social. Okay, school is an element of the social environment. Then look number 3. We can see nature all around dash. We can see nature all around dash. Here you will write us. We can see nature all around us. U-S, us. Okay, we can see nature all around us. Then look number 4. We may dash by bus, train, boat or plane. Dear students, here you will write travel. Okay, dear students, so here you will write what? You will write here travel. And the spelling of the word travel is what, dear students? Look here, I have written T-R-A-V-E-L, travel. T-R-A-V-E-L, travel. T-R-A-V-E-L, travel. We may travel by bus, train, boat or plane. We may travel by bus, train, boat or plane. Travel spelling T-R-A-V-E-L. Now dear students, I will discuss now short question. Okay, look here number 1. What does society mean? What does society mean? Now we will write this answer like this way. Answer. Society means living together and observing different kinds of festivals. None can live alone. So we live together with parents, siblings and grandparents. Our neighbors also live around us. All these together are called society. In society, we have to follow some rules to live peacefully. So dear students, in this discussion what we have found? We live together with our parents, siblings and grandparents. And in society, we have to follow some rules to live peacefully. Okay, so society means what? Society means living together and observing different kinds of festivals. Okay, then number 2. Give an example of social environment. Give an example of social environment. Answer. Men make many things to meet their needs, such as schools, houses, roads, etc. These elements together form the social environment. Okay, these elements together from the social environment. An example of social environment is playground. An example of social environment is playground. Okay, dear students. So now, dear students, you will write here, men make many things to meet their needs such as schools, houses, roads, etc. And these elements together form the social environment. An example of social environment is what? Playground. Okay, so here playground is an example of social environment. Then number 3, why do we use transport? Answer, transport is an important element of the social environment. By using transport, we move from one place to another. We can use transport to go to school and to visit places. People can travel by bus, train, boat or plane. Again, I am going to discuss about this topic. Why do we use transport? Okay, look dear students. So here you can write, transport is an important element of the social environment. So here we have found what? Transport is an important element of the social environment. By using transport, what we can do by using transport? By using transport, we move from one place to another. We can use transport to go to school and to visit what? To visit different types of places, to visit places. People can travel by bus, train, boat or plane. So, people can travel by bus, train, boat or plane. Okay. So, dear students, that is all for our today's topic. Here you will get 3 short questions too, and as your SW you will submit only fill in the blanks. Dear students, so you will submit only fill in the blanks as your SW. Dear students, hope you have understood our today's topic. See you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.